Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Roblox face verification not working. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. A stable connection is required for face verification. Try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular and always ensure that VPN is off. If not, try restarting your router. If your application has a pending update, you could be facing this problem. Simply go ahead and use the browser and make sure that it is updated. Also, check your device compatibility. Supported device, most modern Android, iOS, Windows and Mac devices with camera, and not supported are some older devices with browsers that may not support face verification. If you haven't already allowed the camera permission for the application, go to your settings and simply go ahead and do so. Also, use a good lighting. Make sure that your face is clearly visible. Remove hats, glasses, and face coverings and look directly at the camera. If that doesn't work, and if you're using a mobile app, you might need to simply go ahead and clear cache or try a different browser. If none of it works, simply visit this link to contact Roblox support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.